So an interesting one here. Here we go. Kind of annoying, right? So these work fine, the actuator. What it seems to be is, and I'm trying to figure out where exactly it is, actually. When I unplug the glove box totally, the noise goes away. It's just no longer there. So it's somewhere in this glove box, and supposedly, I don't know, this seems a little weird. I never heard of this before or even noticed that the glove box can kind of lock itself, I guess, even without the key. But the thing is, I don't see it working or anything like that, the actuator. Of course, the physical lock works, but I'm just trying to figure this out from what I've read. And the funny thing is, you unplug this, that's nothing. I believe this is for the light, to figure out whether it's open or closed for the light. And that seems to work. But I just got to figure out where this actuator is to disconnect it, I guess, because it's making a funny noise. And it doesn't seem to be working anyway. This is just on a Cabrio, so maybe it's a Cabrio thing? It's weird. So now you can see it's disconnected. Normal, normal noises. So now I just got to dissect where it is in this club box. Okay, so it turns out it's this little plug right here. Very small. I mean, I didn't even get it. I don't even know what could be possibly in there to try to lock it. Because this other mechanism, I've seen this before on other Audis that I've had. It's just like a little hydraulic that, But I wonder if that's the reason why. I'm not sure if these are in the stands. It's kind of like really bugging me out. This one's got a slight little crack on this one as usual. They all do. I wonder if that's maybe the reason why it occurred too. The other side is fine. This glove box is still good. It's just working properly. I just didn't like that noise. So yeah, now I just got to put it all back up. It was an 8mm to take everything off, and there's 1, 2, 3 up here. There was 2. Might be different if you have like a CD player or something in there. Everything's just always a little bit different on certain cars. But then underneath there was 2, not many, and then a couple up in here too, to kind of get off within the box too. So just not difficult at all. So if you have that weird noise, I guess that's your solution. There we go, another problem fixed on the A4 Cabrio project. Yes.